Right, so hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to teach you on how to enable or disable content plugins in Google Chrome. So it's a very simple process. Let's get right into it. So what you're going to do is going to open Google Chrome, okay, and then you're going to go into these three dots right here. The second last option would be settings. Click on that, and here on your sidebar you're going to go into privacy and security. Then from there, the last option, site settings, open that, and if you scroll down you can see it says content settings. So here is where you can enable and disable plugins. Okay, you can click on additional content settings and you can see whatever content that you want it enabled or disabled, you can do it here. So for example, I want to disable JavaScript, okay, in website. So I'm just going to click on don't allow sites to use JavaScript, and I'm done. Basically that. Okay, I'm going to turn it on. And also you can go into PDF documents right here, okay, and you can select the option whether when you click on a PDF link whether to download directly or open in Chrome. So these are the type of content plugins or settings you can enable or disable in Google Chrome. So that's all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and share this video and subscribe if it helped. So that's all for me. Thanks for watching.